Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect Dokan to Drip using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. Now, go to the Flows page. Click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Now click Select an app and search Dokan as a trigger. New vendor added. Now click on the Listen Response button and go to the Dokan vendor dashboard. Add a new vendor. Fill up the vendor. Vendor created successfully done. Now go to BitFlows dashboard. The vendor data will be available in captured response. Now close the trigger tab. Click the plus icon. Then search and select Drip. Create or update contact as action. Add connection. You can change connection name. To get the key, go to the Drip dashboard. Now you will see your API key. Copy and paste it here. Connect. Select the lists, subscriber status, and tag. Map the respective field. Close it. Now click Test Flow once. Use existing data. Click on the Log button to view details. In the Log section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded. To verify the created gist in Drip, go to your Drip dashboard, select People, and then click on Active. You can see data came successfully done. Thanks for watching.